Hi again everyone, it's me Asawang Filipina and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's vlog, I'm gonna use the red high heels again and it's gonna pedal pump, and I hope you enjoy this vlog and of course the mountain. And if you're not comfortable wearing this one, don't wear it. Only those who are comfortable doing it and wearing different kind of high heels, then just reminders everyone, and those who are watching my videos, thank you all for watching. And oh, it's working. I thought it's not working. So I have the mic, the feeder mic. So footwork again. Let's put the drive. And then of course, with your left, let's wait. There's a car behind. And let them pass. So it's driving very fast. So I'm driving now with 80 to 100 kilometers. I'm not really good in this. So far all is good. Now because it's more contrast. Give me more contrast for my feet. So press the gas pedal very hard or down to the floor, but remind that my pedals of this car have a 1-inch gap. So I cannot really push that down to the floor. So that's why there's a gap, because of he put some gap for that to avoid over speeding, or I don't know the reason. I'm just like there's a gap. So I'm following the car right now. So this is descending, but I think I use more brake this time because it's descending on, of course, lower gear. And climbing uphill, I'm gonna do it again with the barefoot. But for now, I'm gonna do I have my high heels now. So we cannot overspeed with descending gear. So I hope everyone will understand that. Of course you understand. Of course you know. Thank you all for watching and see you next vlog. Bye!